While medical literature is primarily focused on serious research and discoveries, there have been a few instances where unusual or unexpected events have made their way into scientific journals. Here are a few examples of some of the most ridiculous events in history in medical literature. The case of the exploding teeth. In 1859, an article titled "Explosive Discharge of a Gun Cap by a Carious Tooth" was published in the American Journal of Dental Science. It described a peculiar incident where a man's decaying tooth ignited a gun cap, causing a small explosion in his mouth. The Lancet's parachuting donkeys. In 2013, The Lancet, a reputable medical journal, published an article titled "Parachute Used to Prevent Death and Major Trauma When Jumping from Aircraft, Randomized Controlled Trial." The article humorously highlighted the lack of scientific evidence for the effectiveness of parachutes by conducting a satirical study with parachuting donkeys. Semen as an antidepressant. In 2002, a study titled "Semen-Mediated Antidepressant Effects in Female Rats" was published in the journal Physiology and Behavior. The research suggested that chemicals present in semen could potentially have mood-altering effects in female rats. The case of the dancing plague. In the 16th century, a mysterious phenomenon known as the dancing plague occurred in Europe. Multiple accounts of people dancing uncontrollably for extended periods were documented in medical literature. Although the cause remains uncertain, it is believed to have been a mass psychogenic illness rather than a medical condition. The Colleague Who Barks. In 1963, an article titled "The Colleague Who Barks" was published in the British Medical Journal. It described a case of a doctor who had developed a peculiar tic where he would involuntarily bark like a dog when conversing with colleagues. The condition was later diagnosed as a form of echolalia, or imitative behavior. While these events may seem ridiculous or unusual, they have contributed to the colorful history of medical literature and serve as reminders of the diverse nature of human experiences and scientific exploration.